What's up, y'all? This Chris with Crazy-Hobbies. What it do, y'all? This Chris with Crazy-Hobbies. So check this out. I ain't doing nothing. I'm finna do a little tuning back on the truck. What I think I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna look over the amps because I set them at like 131.5 volts, AC voltage on the amp. So I'm gonna look all over the amps to see what they kind of set it after I did some demoing that day I brought the truck out. I got a Recon, this XV3 here. I done already cleaned it up and stuff, so I'm gonna get it Recon. And the only other thing I'm doing, y'all, is I'm out here, got my little, I had to put my tent up because it's been raining so much, y'all, that I didn't want to get rained on while I was doing a little grilling. Got my favorite on there, y'all, some jerk chicken. So I got that cooking, and that's all I'm gonna do today, y'all. I'm gonna chill, get this stuff knocked out, and this really gonna be it for this Memorial Day. Probably go chill out a little later, but in the meantime, while my stuff cooking, I'm gonna check over these amps, get this XV3 here, Recon. I did a time lapse on it with me cleaning it, so I'm gonna be adding it in the video because I know y'all like to see me when I'm working on stuff. Oh, also, I done already cut out the 215 DVX 15. I got all that stuff cut out. Some of the wood is over there, but probably Wednesday or maybe Thursday, whatever day that I'm not working, I'm gonna go ahead and all I got to basically do is put that together now because it's already cut out. And the customer was actually supposed to bring his truck up last week, but he had an issue with it and had to postpone it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get his box built. That way when he dropped his truck off, I can do all the wiring and all of that stuff and kind of get him out the way. Shit, that's really it, y'all. If you need any audio equipment, hey, y'all hit me up. This right here, I don't know if I said in the other video, but it kind of be touching up on my wires here, so I'm gonna actually mess around with this, try to get it pushed back in there some more. To be honest with you, I can open up my hatch here and you can see all 6 amps, so it ain't got to look the neatest, but I'm gonna have to trim some of that out so it'll set off in there, y'all. But look, I'm finna get these amps tuning, check over the where they set at, and shit. I don't know. I might pull it out, do a quick demo, but I hardly likely will do it today because I got to get on this Recon here, which might take me a little bit, and then I'm gonna be ready to eat, y'all. So yeah, but I hope y'all enjoy y'all Memorial Day. Don't forget to hit me up if you need any audio equipment. The number is 901-247-3841. Look, shop with Down for Sound. Got the best deals. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So catch you on the next video.
Oh, wow. HCP nigga hypnotized Camp Posse bitch, and it's still on, ho.